everybody? What is up? Oh my god, I'm almost going, oh, I'm going 40! Oh, yeah! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Let's go, baby, going 40. What's up, everybody? Just went 40. Still going 40, yo! I don't want to stop! Let's go! Let's go! What's up? I was going 40. I don't want to stop, but fuck it. I was maxed out. Pinned it. You gotta pin it to win it, you know what I'm saying? Not really, because I'm pretty sure you can win if everybody else just fall over. Just sitting here at a red light. That's my favorite. Oh man, that's my favorite. So, how's everybody doing today? Oh, I get a green light? Of course, I start talking, they're like, nope, green light. We don't fucking want to hear you talk, Chris. Just go. Yeah, thanks. You and everybody else don't want to hear me talk. So last video I showed y'all me riding my dirt bike. Kind of want to know how y'all feel about that, because that's kind of what I want the channel to be. It's like, I want it to be both, you know, on and off-road. So, you know, so now I have something to talk about, and we're going to talk about what I'm going to do with my Yamaha. And I know I haven't showed y'all my dirt bikes yet. I will in the summer, I promise. It's just been really crappy in the weather. It's like, you know, I get like one good day out of like 2 weeks. What is this guy doing? Do you want to go, or do you just want to dick pic? Oh god. Fucking Mercedes-Benz driver. It's a Mercedes-Benz, oh cool. No, you're not. You're a douche nugget. I want to turn my Yamaha into I don't know, on off-road, but I kind of want to do a supermoto build. I kind of want to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to sell my Honda. I'm going to fix that and probably sell that and dedicate most of my time to my YouTube channel. So I'll probably just do that, even though I really want to ride dirt bikes. But I think right now, I think that'd be my best bet, just because my Yamaha is like, I don't know, it's like, it's just sitting there. So I think that's the best thing for me to do. So yeah, I'm going to do it. Hopefully. I don't know. I'm 50-50 about it. I'm 50-50. 50-50. I want to do it, but I don't want to do it because I want to have a dirt bike, but I haven't really been riding for the past year. So yeah. I just had bad luck, man, on the dirt bike. So I'm just, I don't know. I think if I just did change some things on the Yamaha, I'd probably I think I'd have a little bit more fun with it. I don't know. No, not more fun, but I don't know. I can barely go to the track. You know, tracks are kind of like not super far from me, but I don't know. Every time I go, I feel like crap because I'm not the best. So, but I'm pretty good. I think I'm pretty good for as much as I don't ride. Does that make sense? If that makes sense, I don't know. Yeah, it kind of does. Come on, come on. What are you doing? What are you? You just fucked me. You just fucked me, bro. Oh my god. That car fucked me, man. I could have gone with you. You slammed on your brakes. I'm not gonna say it was a female driver. It was just a bad driver. She was female, but that's not why. It's just a bad driver. Just getting ready to run some errands. I gotta go get some dog food, because, you know, you need to feed those little fuckers. Even though my German Shepherd is not a little fucker. That big ass fuck nugget. I call him Big Derp. He's a little derpy sometimes. It's alright. He's a little derpy. I kinda still love him. Megan loves the shit out of him, so I guess he's useful. Oh man. Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. Hey, ready? Hey, ready. I'm off to another place and then I'm done. To get back to what I was talking to, I think I should definitely do that to the Yamaha. I think it probably make for a better YouTube channel. I know the Scoot ain't, not a lot of people are gonna like the Scoot, but I think it's fun to just mess around on it, you know. But I definitely want something a lot bigger, a lot more power. So the Yamaha is my best bet. You know, I already have it. I barely ride it. So I figured if I did that, it'd be a lot better. Plus, it's very loud too. It probably puts out a good like 90. Well, the exhaust said 96, but I think it's louder than that. It's very loud. Actually, I don't think it's that loud. Let me take that back. I don't think it's that loud, but it's pretty loud. But all I have to do is put Supermoto wheels on it. Probably upgrade the brakes because I need to do that anyway. Lights. So lights, turn signals, lights, brake lights. Obviously, it's lights. And what else? A speedometer and kickstand. And I need to put a ignition on it so I can like turn it on and off. I gotta do that because I don't want nobody to steal it. Like you have to turn that on to do that. So I think that's all no. Oh, fuck a duck. Can't talk burp shit dick. Oh no. It shouldn't take. Is that a little squirrel? Look how fucking sidetracked I got. Look, there's a little squirrel right there. He's just sitting there chilling, eating something. Let's get back to what I was saying. It shouldn't cost that much. I think if I sell my Honda, it'd probably take like majority of the money to like transformation the other bike, but you know, put like a graphic kit on it, make it look sweet, cut the fenders, make it look Supermoto-ish. Supermoto-ish. I'm going to CVS real quick. I want to hop in there real quick and see if they got like leftover Easter stuff. I know you're like, what? I don't think they do, just because I meant to say not Easter, Valentine's Day. So yeah, I'm a fucking fuck nugget. I don't know. That was a big waste of time, even though it was a little waste of time. They didn't have what I wanted. They didn't have shit really. And by the way, I said Valentine's Day. I meant to say Easter. So I'm trying to get like a nice little cute bunny for somebody, but they didn't have shit. So now I gotta deal with this fucking trap. Is my camera even on? I don't know how I'm gonna get around this. I should have turned back there, but fuck it. Fuck! Fuck! Fucking duck, man! Now my nose is itching. Oh shit! Yep. Hopefully I can do that to the bike. I think it'd be pretty sweet. I wonder if I can still make it. Nope, that car just fucked me. That's two cars now that fucked me. Oh my god, I could have gone. Oh my god, dick douche. Dick douche. Look at that little thing. That's 4 doors? Jesus Christ. How is that 4-door? That little thing. That little cute little thing. That thing 4 doors. I don't even know where I'm going right now. Hopefully I'm not to get. No. Can I do a turnaround? Yeah, turn around. Now I'm gonna go into Walgreens and see if they have anything worth mine. Probably not. I'm gonna say scale of 1 to 10. Get fucked. There's a cop in front of me. That's a cop. I'm about to tailgate him. Just tailgate a cop. What's he gonna do? Pull me over on my scoot? Huh? Y'all have no idea what I just said. I edited it up. Oh, there's that little cute little 4-door car. I don't know why I called it cute. It's, yeah. What is that, a Mazda what? Oh, Mazda 2. Holy crap. It's 4-door though. Shouldn't it be Mazda 4? Haha, 4-door. That dude looked up real quick. He's like, what? Scoot! Let's see what's in here. Can I find anything in here? Probably not. I guarantee I won't. I guarantee I won't. Oh shit, maybe I will. Oh shit. Oh shit, I see something. Oh yeah, right back. Right back. Oh shit. I got something for the squish. And I don't know where to put it on the scoot because that's filled and that's filled and that's the deal. I don't want to squish it though. It's so cute. I think it'll be fine. It'll be fine. No. Oh, yes. Okay. Let's get it. Wait. Oh, that shit's so fucking quiet. I was like, is my bike even on? Oh, yes. I got this Squishmallow. Squishmallow. Yes. Yes. Oh, my God. I don't know why I'm so excited. Because, yeah. Squishmallow. Oh, I'm an idiot. No, I don't care though, because I got Fuzymoto! Alright, so, Megan's been talking about these Squishmallows forever, and she has one, and hopefully she don't have this one. I don't think she does. But I got a Squishmallow! No! Can I go 40? Nope, 30. Oh, man. Alright, y'all. Oh man, hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. It's just a little video. I know my videos aren't very exciting, but I don't know. I guess I can't say anything right now. Oh, they're gonna get exciting because I have no fucking idea about this. Oh my God. Oh, I'm not talking during the stoplight. I'll be right back. Damn, your car dirty as shit. So dirty as shit, car. I'm not gonna lie, the other day I did beat a Camaro in the race, so you know, happens. I don't want to show you. Oh, my $12. Yes! Squishmallow! Yes! I got something for you. It has 2 words in it. One starts with S, the second one starts with M. And it's all around kid. Oh my God, yes! I'm talking to myself. This is not going in the video. Alright, I'm really excited, man. I love when I can get something for someone and I know they're gonna love the shit out of it. It's exciting for me. I got Jesus, yeah, I know it's not a very exciting video, but you know what? I'm trying to put out more content. Today was a nice day and I had to run some errands and I was like, shit, why is that even a word? Run some errands. Someone's name is Aaron out there. I guarantee you someone that invented that or gave it the fucking name was named Aaron. I'm running around doing things. What should I call them? My name's Aaron. Just call it Aaron. Running some errands. I'm clever. That's probably not how it happened at all. It probably means a double word or something. I don't know. I'm not very I'm not a wordologist. That's a word, look it up. Don't look it up, just believe me. Just go take my word for it. Oh man, I wanna go home. I'm fucking hungry as shit. Oh man, play some Fortnite. Not really, probably not. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Lick my own butt. Alright y'all, I'm gonna end the video. Thanks for sticking around and watching this video. You know, talking about what I'm gonna previously do on this channel. Hopefully I can do it, man. If not, oh well, but you know, I'm either gonna be putting up more dirt bikes or more motovlogging type of stuff. You know, we'll see. We will see. Of course, I'm at another fucking stoplight. Oh my God. You're lucky I got Squishmallow! I can imagine if like someone heard me, like just like yell or something, they're like, what's wrong with that guy? There's nothing wrong with me, it's just something wrong with you. You're not cool. You're not the weird one. I think weird people are pretty cool. Depending on the weirdness though. Like some people are just fucking straight out weird and you're just like, what the fuck? I love how when I go I push my feet to make my scoot go a little bit quicker, but it doesn't do anything. Alright y'all, I'm gonna end today's video. I'm gonna say thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, I guess. I'm not even gonna tell y'all what to do on this channel. You know what I'm saying? You all wanna subscribe? Hey man, subscribe. You wanna like the video? Go ahead and give it a like. If you wanna give it a dislike, fuck, go ahead. I don't give a shit. You wanna leave a messed up comment about a turtle, man, then you know, go ahead, you know. But I want to say thanks for watching, y'all. I appreciate it. I look forward to talking to y'all next time on the man on the scoot. Alright, y'all. Peace. Peace.